Greetings, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So, friends, today I have a big update on the fourth round of stimulus checks. A stimulus timeline has finally been announced. This includes when these new payments will be sent out and who will be eligible to receive this extra money. Millions of Americans will be able to get a one-time relief check. Dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to find out all about the fourth stimulus details. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, dear friends, that the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning. And the next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow.
That's so important. Well, semiconductors are small computer chips that power virtually everything in our lives. Your phone, your car, your refrigerator, your washing machine, hospital equipment, the internet, the electric grid, and so much more. And here's the deal. America invented these chips. America invented these chips. And federal research and development led to the creation of these chips. Taxpayer dollars. These chips helped power NASA mission to the moon. The federal investment helped bring down the cost of making chips to build a market and an entire industry. As a result, over 30 years ago, America had about 40% of global production. But since that time, something happened. American manufacturing, the backbone of our economy, got hollowed out. Companies moved jobs and production overseas, especially from in the industrial Midwest. Decades ago, we used to invest 2% of our gross domestic product in research and development. Let me say it again. We invested 2%.
So here's the awesome news, friends. Millions of Americans can expect to see paper checks in their mailboxes next month. Most of the payments will be in the form of tax rebates, which aim to offset high inflation that's negatively impacting Americans from food, gas, energy, and many other items. These are similar to stimulus checks, which are given to those who have suffered financial hardships from the crisis. But regardless, these will be a one-time stimulus relief payments. Eligible Chicago, Illinois residents can apply each month for transit and gas card funds. To apply, you must be a Chicago resident, at least 18 years or older, and have a current and valid city sticker with the correct mailing information for your vehicle. Also, your income must be at or below 100% of the area median income for the city of Chicago. This is about $93,200 for a household of 4. The city of Chicago will issue up to 50,000 prepaid gas cards of $150 and 100,000 prepaid transit cards of $50 under the program. These cards will also be distributed each month. Millions of Americans in the state of Indiana have started to receive their rebate payments in the month of May. The refunds are worth $125 per individual and $250 for married couples. Approximately 4.3 million Indiana residents will receive the $125 payment, about 85% of the state's adult population. Direct deposits will continue to go out through the summer, while residents who opted for paper checks can expect those to arrive in July or August. Any taxpayer who filed their 2020 taxes before January 3, 2022 qualifies for this cash. Additionally, Indiana Governor Eric Holcomb has proposed to send more money back to taxpayers. According to the governor's office, if approved, each eligible Indiana resident would receive a combined total of about $350 in payments. Married couples filing jointly would receive roughly $700. Also, friends, thousands of low and moderate income residents in Johnson County, Iowa, have applied for a one-time stimulus check of $1,400 under the Direct Assistance Program. To qualify for it, you must meet a few pieces of criteria. This includes suffering from food or housing insecurity, job loss, or previously being excluded from the federal stimulus payments. You may also qualify if you are eligible for a federal program like SNAP or Supplemental Security Income. As far as income goes, it must be $45,370 or below for a household of one, $51,870 for a household of two, and $64,805 for a four-person household. Now, friends, President Biden is also urging Congress to pause the gas and diesel taxes for 3 months through September. It is an effort to provide much-needed relief to motorists being punished at the gas pump. The national average price of gas hit a record $5 a gallon in June, and it's expected to increase into the summer with higher demand as travel heats up. However, some experts say that halting the federal gas tax, which currently sits at 18.4 cents per gallon, might not be as beneficial as you'd think, and are calling for other forms of relief. President Biden is hoping to enact a temporary halt to the federal gas and diesel tax without cutting the Highway Infrastructure Fund, which supports the construction and maintenance of critical highways and public transportation. Some economists suggest putting more attention towards fixing road infrastructure, since potholes and other examples of poor maintenance can result in vehicles getting lower gas mileage and car owners racking up expensive repair bills. JP Morgan analysts have already predicted the price of gas could top $6 this summer. Gas prices tend to be higher in the warmer months due to more Americans hitting the road for their vacations. Summer blend fuel is also more costly to produce since it takes longer and yields less gasoline per barrel of oil compared to winter blend fuel. So friends, what are your thoughts on the action and inaction that President Biden has taken? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Blue Jay. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Blue Jay, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. And remember, friends, that the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Well, my fabulous and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching daily. I truly appreciate all of you. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Marquet Bates. Congratulations, friend. Please note, if I have named you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.